Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by getting essentials out of the way. Charge the phone to at least 50% and insert any SIM or SD card you plan to keep. Next, backup photos and contacts to cloud or a computer so you don't lose them when you reset. Once done, check storage and battery health to decide whether a factory reset or selective cleanup makes sense. This prepares you to proceed without interruptions and explains why data safety and power matter up front. You now perform the deep work. Factory reset if you want a fresh start, or clear app caches and remove unused accounts to keep settings. After wiping, make sure to update Android and firmware so security fixes are applied. This improves speed and longevity. Then reinstall only essential apps and choose lightweight versions when possible, because fewer background processes mean better battery life. Remember why. A clean OS Plus current updates reduces crashes, patch vulnerabilities, and restores usable performance. You finish by optimizing for the role you picked. Dial down background sync, lower screen timeout, and enable battery saver to stretch life. Configure the phone as a dedicated gadget, security camera with an app, media streamer, or smart home remote so it stays useful. Make sure to test key functions and set automatic backups. If problems happen, reboot first, then boot to safe mode to isolate apps. If unresolved, a final factory reset.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.